In this video, you'll learn how to auction on eBay. This guide explains the steps necessary to create an auction listing and manage it effectively until the item is sold. Begin by navigating to the eBay website. Once you're on the home page, locate the Sell button, usually found at the top of the page. Click this button to start creating your auction listing. After clicking Sell, you'll be directed to a page where you can create your listing. Here, you will see options for listing formats. Select auction instead of fixed price to enable competitor bidding for your item. This choice is crucial as it allows potential buyers to place bids against each other. Next, you will need to set a starting price for your auction. It is often beneficial to choose a low starting price to attract more bidders. Consider the value of your item and research similar auctions to determine an appealing starting point. You will also select the auction duration, which can range from 1 to 10 days. Choose a duration that best fits your selling strategy and allows ample time for bidding. Once your listing details are filled in, review all the information to ensure accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, click the List It button to make your auction live. At this point, you should monitor the auction activity regularly, keep an eye on incoming bids, and respond promptly to any questions from potential buyers. This interaction can increase buyer confidence and enhance your chances of a successful sale. After the auction ends, you will receive a notification regarding the winning bidder. Once payment is confirmed, it is essential to ship the item promptly to the winning bidder. Make sure to package the item securely and provide tracking information if available. This step is vital for maintaining a good seller rating and ensuring a positive experience for your buyers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.